Hello there everyone, and welcome back Poochies. So I got something pretty new and pretty big, and of course it's the Reshiram and Charizard GX figure collection box. I got it like 4 days ago, so why not do it today? But I got a little bit of a surprise for you Poochies. A bit ago I ordered the Mewtwo Strikes Back Armored promo, and it arrived today, and I'm really excited to open it and show you guys. I have not opened it, it's still in the package, so I thought you Poochies and I would both be surprised as I haven't seen it in person at all. But anyways, let's open it up and see how it looks. So here it is, still packaged and sealed, and I'm really hyped to see it, to see how it looks. I think I got a pretty good deal on eBay when I bought it. But anyways, let me open it up and show you guys. How am I supposed to open this up? Yes, just cut a little bit here. And hopefully it'll be easy to tear here. It's stuck with the tape there. Oof! Okay. Poochy, stand over here so you can see and be mesmerized. Alright. I feel... Oh, it's a little... That's cute. Little crane. Pretty cute. And anything else? Nope, just the card. And it's wrapped with one piece. Interesting. I'm guessing some kind of magazine or something. Not really sure. And another thing, I guess to protect it very well. Oh, it's on this side. And ta-da! Well, that's the back side. Oh, they taped it. One sec. Alright, untaped it. Let's see how it looks. The thing onto the side. And here it is. Dun da da! Oh my goodness. It looks so cool. Look at this Poochy. So cool. Still sealed inside. I don't know if I want to take it out or let it be sealed. Actually, I'm just gonna open it. Why not? And show you guys up closely how it actually looks. There it is. So much better. Nice, very nice promo. I'm so glad I have it in my collection now. And I'm gonna put a sleeve on it with my Unified Minds. Perfect for this. Go. So it can be protected forever. And let me just put it here, I guess, so you Poochies can see. And the last thing is this little thing. Not really sure what it is. Guessing this is some kind of points or something. Maybe you Poochies know? And tell me in the comments what it might be. It's still really cool to have. Oh, it literally shows in the back what it is. So yeah, I was kind of correct. You put it inserted in the machine and you get something. Pretty cool. But let's get to the part where I open that big box. I'm really excited. So let me grab it. I need to move Poochy. And here it is. The camera cannot even see it. Much bigger than my Poochy. So let me open this up and you can see all the stuff inside. There's the figure and the Tag Team GX card, and of course the very big one where I do not know where to store that. Close it up and turn it around. And here it is. So it includes one full art foil Tag Team, one figure, for Pokemon TCG booster packs, and one oversized foil card, and a code card for Pokemon trading card game online. And flip it back around. Just look how cool they are together as a tag team, especially that figure I'm really excited for. Okay, how am I gonna open this up? I guess let's just figure it out. I want to ruin this pretty box, but I gotta open it somehow. Okay, probably just easy to slide out now. Oh, there it is. Let me put the box to the side. Okay, this is really cool. Really awesome. Just gonna put this down and just grab it from the bottom. And of course the card's stuck there. Let me just sort all this out. So I got that all sorted out with, and let me show you guys. There's the very big and large Reshiram and Charizard GX tag team card, which they look really awesome. I just noticed they have some really scary, spooky faces in the background. But let's just not mind that. My very first time holding a really big card, so this is very interesting. Anyways, let me show you the small card. Maybe you guys will much better than on the big. Well, in a way, this is my first tag team card, though I didn't pull it, but you know, whatever, it counts, right? Look how cool they look. What an amazing card. Okay, let me put these two big cards over here so everyone can see it. And of course, the most exciting thing for me are the figures. I like how Charizard's wings are like flying out fire. I really like this figure. It's super awesome. There's Charizard's tail. I'm glad they made the tail a little bit by itself. I'm sorry, I'm just so mesmerized by this. Oh, it's so cool. Look at it. I love it. Alright. I'm gonna put it right here. Hopefully everything doesn't fall down. Look at it. Look at them all. They're so cool. Okay, let's just get to the boosters. So it seems that there's 2 Unified Minds, a Unbroken Bonds, and XY Roaring Skies. Wow, X and Y. Okay, what should I do? Maybe I should start from oldest to newest, I guess. Okay, XY Roaring Skies. I actually have a few XY cards that I need to open up on this channel. I'm just gonna get started. Oh, that's easy. Okay, XY, I don't know if it's 4 to the front. Well, we'll see, I guess. Just in case I'm doing 3. Ultra Ball. Latios Spirit Link. Special Energy. Shuppet. Togepi. Voltorb. Swablu. Nincada. Our reverse Absol. Barely can see it on the camera though. It's mostly tiny over here. And not a holo though, but still cool. Hopefully I can get a holo of this big bird. Okay. Unbroken Bonds now. And open this up. One, two, it's Sun and Moon, so 4 to the front. Dark Energy, Maleni, Giovanni's Exile, Duskstone, Oddish. Oh, look at that cute Oddish. Zubat, Coffee, Duo, Poliwag, a reverse Oddish, which Virgil's gonna be excited when I show him this, and last card. Oh my! Well, now I pulled a tag team. Oh, Gardevoir and Sylveon GX tag team. Oh, finally, I pulled a tag team, and it's these two cuties. So cool. I'm sorry, I'm just speechless. They're so cute. Look at them both. Okay, maybe put it in his sleeve. Get you in there. Look at them. So cool. Finally. Finally a tag team. Put them over here with the rest of the stuff. Okay. I'm pretty happy with the pulls now, so Unified Minds. If I don't really get anything else, I'm still good. One, two, three, four. The front. Lightning Energy. Bashquilin. Still don't know how to say it. Munchlax. Reset Stamp. Pidoof. Polypool. Nomo. Axew. Pinion. And a reverse Dedenne. And a Alolan Marowak, which I already got. And not hollow though. Hopefully I can get a hollow for this one. Okay. Last pack of Unified Minds. One, two, three, four. Psychic Energy. Great Potion. Bibarel. Bibarel? Oh, I don't know if I said that right. Tornadus. Rutigan. Rumish. Drifloon. I already have 3 of these. Keeps coming back, doesn't he? Piter. Cryogonal. A reverse. Oh, okay. A reverse Marowak. I'm happy with a reverse. And a Tapu Fini, which I already got a Unified Minds promo for with this. But oh well. I'm happy with just getting this beautiful card. So here are all the cards that I received today. Here's all the reverses. Then a Marowak. Capsule, which looks really cool. And of course, Oddish. Oddish. And we finally pulled a Tag Team GX, which I'm happy. And of course the promo. But what do you guys think looks the best? Tell me in the comments. This really cute Gardevoir and Sylveon one, or this cool and awesome Reshiram and Charizard. They're both really cool, but very different. This was a really good pull this time. Really glad I finally got a tag team, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Alright, Poochies, I'm out. Bye everyone!